Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making a quilted cat food placemat. This project's a stylish way to keep your cat's food and water contained. And bonus, it's machine washable. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a front fabric, a backing fabric, cotton batting, and optional basting spray. First, place the backing fabric with the wrong side of the fabric facing up. Center a piece of batting in the middle. Center the front fabric on top and baste it in place to limit shifting during quilting. Quilt it as desired. I used a wavy stitch for mine, but you can use any stitch you'd like. Since we're using the backing as a binding, do not quilt past the edge of the front fabric. Fold the backing out of the way and very carefully trim away any excess batting or fabric that is shifted. Unfold the backing and trim the backing fabric so it measures 1 1/4 inches away from the front fabric. To create the binding and mitered corners, fold the corner of the backing so it meets the corner of the front piece and press it. Open up the fold and cut on the crease line. Fold the cut corner over the corner of the front piece and press it. Fold each side so the raw edges of the backing meet near the raw edges of the front and press it. Fold the backing fabric over one more time so it becomes the binding on the front and press it. Follow the same technique all around the placemat and use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. Adjust the mitered corners if necessary. Top stitch around the outside near the open edge of the binding. And just like that, just that fast, you've made something useful and decorative for your favorite feline friend. See you next time with another project.